Guys, welcome back again. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, hi, my name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Just do the good stuff, okay? And guys, today we're making this very delicious and creamy jollof coconut rice. Guys, I tell you for free, this is not your regular, okay? If you're interested in seeing how I made this, please keep watching. So here I have my turkey thoroughly washed, and now I'll be adding my seasonings. Guys, I'll be listing out the ingredients for this recipe in the description box, so please do well to check the description box, okay? So I'll combine very well, and then I'll cover and allow to release its juice. And once the juice is released, I will just go in with enough water. At this point, it's released already. I'm going in with enough water to cook. I'll just combine lightly, and once it's well cooked, I'll take out, fry. I did that off camera. I'll just fry. At this point here, it's cooked. I'll take this out and then fry. So now we are ready to make our creamy coconut jollof rice. So my vegetable oil is heated, and now I'll go in with my onion, allow it to saute for about 3 minutes, and then I'll go in with my tomato blend. For tomato blend, I have tatashe, shombo, tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper with some ginger and garlic powder. Yes, just a little bit of it. And next I'll go in with my tomato paste, combine very well, and allow to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, if you've watched till this time and you've still not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, support your girl, like, comment and share. Just do the good stuffs, okay? So I promise to list out the ingredient for this recipe in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box, okay? So what I'm adding now is my meat broth, enough meat broth to cook, and afterwards I'll go in with my coconut milk. Can you see how creamy our coconut milk is? Guys, stop playing. This is so delicious. And next I'll go in with my rice, my thoroughly washed rice, then combine well, and then I'll just cover to cook. Guys, please ignore this foil paper. This is just the last one. I don't just want to trash it. I want to make use of it. I'll just use it like that, yeah? So I'll just arrange and then cover well, cover tight. And at this point, guys, our creamy coconut jollof rice is quarter to be ready. Guys, at this point, the aroma coming out from my kitchen was dragging my street people. Trust me, I'm not capping on this. So I'll just go in with some chopped onion. For extra heat, I'll go in with some fresh scotch bonnet pepper, carrot and green peas, then combine well, combine together. Guys, would you be trying this creamy coconut jollof? Guys, trust me, you're just gonna love it. You don't have any option. You will love this. This is so delicious, super creamy. It tastes so good. So I'll just cover this and allow it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, our creamy coconut jollof rice is screaming. It's screaming. I am ready to be enjoyed. So thank you guys for watching. Please still don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Bye bye.